Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. Today we will be adding labels, words, and sentences to our All About books. I have gathered all the materials that I need. Do you have your materials ready? You need your pen or pencil, your drawing from yesterday, maybe some sight words that you plan on using for your sentences. Let's begin. So on our writing process, we are in our drafting, right? And in our drafting, we don't just add pictures, we add labels or words or sentences, and that's exactly what we'll be doing today. Let's review our writing book. This is a picture of the classroom. So I am going to write all about the classroom. And I have taken out my sight word card so I know how to spell the word the correctly. Remember, any sight word, use your word wall so you are spelling your words correctly. All about the classroom. Okay. Written and illustrated by Miss Allen, because this is my book. On the first page, I drew the introduction. And on the introduction page, we write, I will teach you all about, and whatever your topic is. So now you write it and make sure to fill in your topic. So let's begin. I will teach you all about the classroom, because that is my topic, period. Okay? And if you guys forget what you're supposed to begin with, remember to use your exemplar sheet. So that's our introduction, or Miss Allen's introduction. On this page, I see the library, the classroom library. So I also have some other cards here. And what I want to put on this page is, this is the library. So I took out my sight word cards. This, that's your orange sight word, is, and we have our the from the classroom, the, and then I can fill in by looking at my picture, the library. So this, my finger space, remember to put your spaces, is the library. Period. And I'm going to leave my sight word cards at the top of my book because I plan to be using these to make pattern sentences across my pages. So one was the library. Let's look at page 2. On page 2, this is the math center. We see the numbers and the blocks and all my stuff that I have there. So this, remember I'm using my sight words, is the math center. Period. And I can add a label, like these are my blocks, because my drawings all look kind of the same. So maybe I should add a label, right? So these are blocks. Blue. Remember, you can use your blend chart to help you with your blends and diagrams. So blocks. These are my shapes right here, or actually these are my counters. These are my counters. These are my shapes that's in my math center. Yeah? Okay. So I have blocks, shapes, and counters. And I have my sentence. This is the math center. And this here is my chart. So I can say the chart. And I have the already out. So I can label this the chart. Now remember, boys and girls, when we add labels, we can also add longer labels by using a sight word in front of what it is. Let's turn to page 3. Do you guys remember what this is? Exactly, the writing center. And that's what I'm going to put. This is the writing center. Remember to begin with an uppercase letter. This is the writing center. And I am going to label my pictures so my readers know what this is. This right here is paper. So I'm going to put paper. These are my pens. My folders. And these are what we use, are word walls. Word walls. Right? There we go. And our conclusion page, we end with, now you know all about, and what was my topic? The classroom. And again, you can use your all about exemplar that has those words on it. And it says, now you know all about the classroom. Period. And this is a student, right? So I'm going to label student. This is the smart board. Smart board. And this is the rug. Rug. Okay, boys and girls, so let's reread before we wrap up for today. Remember that today we are adding labels, words, and sentences to our already drawn books, okay? You should have planned yesterday and add drawings across your pages. So let's review. All About the Classroom by Miss Allen. Introduction. I will teach you all about the classroom. We want to set our readers up for what they're about to learn. Page 1. Don't forget to number your pages, because on page 1 you're going to teach the first thing. Remember, all writers, we are teaching 3 things about our topic. This is the library. Page 2. This is the math center. Page 3. Oops. Page 3. This is the writing center. And then our conclusion, or our last page, we tell our readers, now you know all about the classroom. So boys and girls, if you were not writing with me, take time now and go add labels, words, and sentences to every page. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.